Hello everyone, I'm Friska Fabiola. From 11th Accounting 1 today, I will make a practice video. Procedure text, how to make papaya juice.
Ingredient: how to make papaya juice. 1 ripe papaya, sugar, boiled water, sweetened condensed milk. That's good, of course, is also mandatory. Juice extractor, made in loose makers. Step: how to make papaya juice. 1. First peel the papaya fruit, then cut into small pieces so that it's easy to smooth when 2. Put the papaya fruit that was cut early to be blended. 3. Also the water, sugar, and milk. Sand and 20 containing milk. 4. Blender and wait until all the ingredients are mixed and combined smooth. 5. Add ice cubes to the glass before adding the smooth papaya juice. Now that the healthy papaya fruit juice has